Alright, so we just did 2 coats of wood conditioner and then 2 coats of walnut stain. So let's see if it looks any better than the other one. So I'm already seeing bleeding here too, which I'm not happy about because I was hoping it would actually be better. I don't know. I don't know if it's better or not. So here's 2 coats of pre-stain and 2 coats of walnut, right? And then here is no pre-stain, and here's 1 coat of pre-stain. So I mean, I guess it's just a little bit more better, if that's a word. I mean, this part isn't amazing down here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe I should try like 3 coats. But then I'm thinking, is it worth the time to keep coating it, letting it dry, the time you're wasting? Or just do it like this? I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys do? Give me some advice.